We're going to take a look at a Narwhal fountain pen. This Narwhal is the original fountain pen. The Narwhals are going to come in this white box, and I love the branding of the Narwhal is just so fun. I mean, I'm a fan of the Narwhal in general, but the coloring is also great. It's just so light and bright. The cardboard box is really sturdy and simple and clean, and I like it. It has a lift-off top, so we'll set that aside, and right on top is your information from Narwhal. It's your user guide and warranty. So inside is your user guide about how to use your pen and fill it with ink. On the back is your warranty card and information. You will find this handy dandy tool that you will need when you're needing to work on your piston filler and doing some cleaning of the pen. This is a really nice foam insert that keeps the pen secure. Underneath there's nothing else underneath you'll need to search for. That is what comes with your pen, because this is piston filler. So remove it from its sleeve, and this is the Narwhal Original Fountain Pen Demonstrator, and the material is just crystal clear. You can just, let me get something so you can see through it. It's definitely, you're going to be able to see what's going on in there, which is great because you can get a look at the piston filler. But first, let's just glance around here. So the material obviously is resin, and it is the crystal clear. This is a spring metal clip. It kind of looks like it's a lever clip, but it's a spring metal clip, and it just has a little bit of extra space in here, which I like. I like that. I like also that the silver color material against the clear looks great, but there's the clip, and then you have this medium size thickness ring around the barrel that is going to be right at the edge of the threading, so it comes up right against the bottom of the cap. And then you have your silver ring down here at the base of the piston knob, and then you can see the piston mechanism through the crystal clear, and it has other elements of silver going on. And then also there's a little decorative silver on the end cap, which I think is a nice touch. Okay, so we have a threaded cap, and your pen is definitely postable. When you go to use your pen, as I mentioned, it is a piston filler. And so this is the piston knob, the back end of your barrel. You're just gonna turn it counterclockwise, and you'll see that moves the piston all the way down until you feel resistance, and then you stop. And at that point, you dip your nib in the ink and go ahead and turn it all the way back the other direction, clockwise. And as you're turning it clockwise, the piston will pull the ink into your pen. And so once it's all the way turned all the way the other direction, then your pen is got all the ink filled up in the barrel, and it's ready to go ahead and use. This brand, the Narwhal brand, was first created in 2019. So they're a couple years. They've been making these pens for a couple years. Their pens are made in-house, and they feature this piston filling system that we've already taken a look at. But one of the advantages of their piston filling system is that you'll get a larger ink capacity. They also feature an in-house number 6 stainless steel nib. And it's been, and while they haven't been around for decades, this company is already known and liked by many pen enthusiasts, and their nib is known to be a smooth, reliable writer. So you can look forward to that. Additionally, these pens are a great affordable way to get your hands on a fun and reliable piston filler. So if you've been looking to try the Narwhal, or if you've been looking to try a piston filler, this might be a great choice. So check out the Narwhal Original and Demonstrator, or we also have black. And then there's also another Narwhal in stock right now that you should probably take a look at. Find it at penchalet.com.